It's been a while since I've sent my last paper letter to someone. I think I even forgot how to do that. I have always wondered what will happen if I will send a classic paper letter to Apple's headquarters in Cupertino. Would they even reply to me? Spoiler, yes, they did. To make things more funny, I decided to include an AirTag inside my letter and follow it as it travels through the globe. So I wrote a simple message to Apple Watch development team to thank them for making a global Close Your Rings challenge day. Then I went to my local post office in Paris, I paid €5 for the shipping and started following my letter using the Find My app. Tracking my letter using an AirTag was actually quite funny. Literally, a couple of hours later, I already saw my letter moving to the airport. It was placed to a post office sorting center, and it stayed there for a couple of days. I was a bit worried because of the low battery status on my AirTag, but it was already too late, and my letter was in the airplane, traveling straight to the United States of America. And my letter landed in the city of New York, my favorite city. Then my AirTag traveled throughout America for about 1 week, probably by truck, because it took really a lot of days before arriving to California, Cupertino. It was quite funny to being able to check the status of my AirTag, last seen today at 4 p.m. somewhere in the middle of nowhere, but Find My technology is actually very useful. I like it. A few days later, my AirTag finally arrived to its destination, California, Cupertino. I was even seeing the Apple Park on the map. And then something happened, because my letter was sent to Texas, Austin. Like, why? What happened? I was so surprised. I saw my AirTag in a random white building, staying for a couple of days. Then it was transferred to another white building, and then I saw like Apple Inc. So apparently Apple has a second campus in Texas, Austin. My AirTag was placed in this weird white building, and it stayed there for a couple of weeks without even moving. I was so worried because of this low battery status. And then something happened. My AirTag lost connection, so I wasn't even sure if someone read my letter, and then I even forgot about it, and I got an answer 2 months later.
Okay, and now the moment of truth. Let's unbox this letter and let's see what's inside. I have no idea. Just by touching this package, I can feel that there is something pretty big inside, not just a piece of paper. I hope this is my AirTag. Although my AirTag was disconnected, I have no idea. Maybe they sent me some kind of a gift or a pin. No idea. So let's unbox it. This is a standard FedEx package. Nothing special. Okay, nice. Ooh, okay. So I can already see the original letter I sent them, and I see my AirTag is inside. Let's put it aside, and I see the letter, and it's a pretty special thing. Wow. Well, first of all, I don't know if you can see, but the paper is rounded. It's a special paper, Apple kind of paper, because it's like, it's a rounded paper, and the quality of this paper is really solid. It's like a diploma or something. May 13, 2025. Dear Arthur, thanks for writing to Apple. Hearing from satisfied customers is always a pleasure. An important measure of our company's success is based on the feedback of our customers. Enclosed is the AirTag you recently sent to us. You can make amazing stuff with a Mac. Every Mac also comes with iLife, a suite of software that transforms your photos, music and video into all kinds of projects. The new iPhone produces our highest quality photos yet, featuring 4K video as well as the portrait feature. Our batteries last longer than ever before, and we also included wireless charging. Please keep an eye on Apple's website at apple.com for the latest product information. We appreciate your support of Apple products and services. Thank you again for taking time to write. Sincerely, Apple Customer Care. Apple, Austin, Texas. Nice. Cool. They replied. I got an answer. Okay, now let's check my original letter. It's here. Inside, as you can see. Okay, let's put it aside. So this is my letter that I've sent to them. You've probably seen it in the beginning of this video. And this is my AirTag. But what happened to it? Okay, so they decided to disable this AirTag because I suppose, it's in the company privacy policy. They had to disable the AirTag. Okay. There are no battery. They removed my battery from my AirTag, but they do send me my AirTag back. Okay, no problem. Cool, I'm so happy I got an answer from Apple. It's incredible. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more videos like that. Thanks again for watching. Peace.